How to convert your music to the right format for distribution. My name is Abraham Tusho. Welcome to my channel. No matter the platform, whether it is DistroKid, TuneCore, RouteNote, or ONErpm, there is a specific format for your music must meet or it could get rejected. In this video, I will show you how to convert your audio into correct industry standard format for your music distribution. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any step. If you are new in my channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Now, let me jump on my phone and show you how it is done real quick. Let us go.
So right now, it depends on what you want to convert your audio to. If your audio is in MP3 and then it's not on the standard level, I mean industry standard level, so you want to amplify it, you want to increase your MP3 to the standard level, this is what you need to do. Go to your Google Chrome, then on your new tab, you just need to search for MP3 converter. So it's already here, just send it. So the best that I do use is this online audio converter. That is the standard that I do use. Is online. It only costs you data, and then it is well reliable. Your audio will not lose the standard, I mean the quality sound that your audio carries. It won't lose any whatever mix that your audio has and all that. So I recommend you should use this online audio converter. Can you see, you just come to Google and search MP3 converter, then you scroll down and look for this online audio converter. You can easily just type the website. It's www.online-audio-converter.com. So very easy. So you tick here. So how to use this, can you see upload file? So if you click on this open file rather, then it's going to take you to your gallery, your phone folders and all that. I believe you all know how to find your song on your phone. As you can see, I'm using my mobile phone. So let me click on media. Let me click on this folder, right? So I'm going to just look for a random audio. Okay, let me click on this. So one of my artists. So let me click on one of the song. The song is on MP3. Meanwhile, your song can be on MP3, but it's not on the standard. It's not on the industry standard format. So you need to, enhance it to the industry standard format. Okay. So can you see? This is the MP3 now. So it's already. I wanted to convert it to MP3, and then can you see here that we have economy, we have standard, we have good, then we have best, right? So this is what you need to do. You come here, you come to advanced setting. So you click on this advanced setting. Okay, so when you click on advanced setting, then you will see, can you see the constant is on 12 kbsp, right? So it's good. So you can easily read the format, the details of the audio that the each distribution platform requests from you, and select it from here. So mostly the best that the distribution platform do ask people is 320. Can you see this 320? This best, not 128 kbps. The standard is this best 320. So what you just need to do, you can select it from here, this constant here, then you take it to 320. Okay, that's the standard. Then you leave this sample rate to 44,100 kHz, right? So you leave it as that. So you don't need to do a fade in, fade out, reverse. You don't need to do that. Just leave it the way it is. Your producer will have done that for you. Okay, so when you are through with that, what next you need to do? So don't mind this economy blah blah, because we already set it from this advanced setting. We already work on it on advanced settings. Okay, so then what you just need to do is to click on convert. The same way for wave formats, FLAC, other platforms. Can you see there? We have more, right? The same way, iPhone ringtone. The same way you can convert your audio, very easy online without stress. So then I will click on convert. So automatically it has been converted. Then what you just need to do is to click on download. Okay, so immediately you hit on the download, the audio will start downloading. It's very easy and very fast. So can you see that you can make use of this online audio converter.com to enhance your MP3. You can also use it to convert to wave formats if your song is not on wave, and then the distribution platform that you want to use, the distribution company you want to use, requested for wave formats. You can also use this to convert your MP3 to wave formats. And then if your the distribution platform you want to use request for MP3 and then your song is on wave, you can also make use of this online audio converter to convert your wave to MP3 and make it a standard version. The 320 kph and then the 4100. Now our audio has been downloaded, so let's click on these three dots and look for, go to download. So it has been downloaded. This is it. So we can easily click on these three dots to rename it so that the title of the song will not carry the watermark of the website we use to convert the audio. So I like to do this. So I'm just going to clear all the websites attached to the title. So just going to clear it out so I can type it just to differentiate it from the previous ones. I can put something, I can put 2, right? I can put 2 just to differentiate it. Then I'll click on OK. So it's very good to remove the websites attached to the title. Check on the details. So you can see that now this is just currently downloaded, and then we've enhanced this audio to the standard version for all music distribution. Okay, so that is that. If you find this video helpful, kindly please give me a thumbs up, like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues that they are facing 1 or 2 challenges in distributing their music on all streaming platforms. Okay, so this is just a simple way and very easiest way to convert your audio to any format for your music distribution. All right, thank you for watching this video. Till we see next time. Peace.